You are about to witness a bear in a waterfall.
Hey, shut up! It's gonna be cold. I know. I'm gonna take my.
Nope, you better go.
All right. It's so cold.
You better get your head underneath the fall.
All right. Oh, that is freaking cold. Oh my god. That is so fucking cold.
I can see your breath.
Whew, one more time. This is fine. This is my waterfall rock.
Yeah, they
You
are.
know how cold my forehead is.
Oh my god, you're like an ice cube. Brad, go behind the car and take those shorts off.
Oh, I gotta pee.
How do you have to pee after that?
Oh, it's water.
How do you pee when your woohoo is inverted?
Take a picture of me peeing in the river. The video of me peeing in the
Well,
river.
Yellowstone. Oh my gosh, there's bugs everywhere.
Cold?
I'm not recording you pee in the river.
Oh, I was gonna sit and pee. Should I?
Even worse.
Should I?
No.
Okay. Alright. I'm peeing, look out.